Are you ready to rock your classical style with a dash of the latest trends? Get ready to upgrade your wardrobe with these 5 trending clothing items. First on our list, we have the modernized blazer. This versatile piece has been given a fresh twist, with bold colors, oversized silhouettes, and unique patterns. Up next, we have high-waisted wide-leg trousers. These pants are both flattering and comfortable, creating a timeless silhouette that elongates your legs. Now, let's talk about the cozy yet stylish knitted sweater. This season, embrace vibrant hues and eye-catching patterns. The middle-length denim skirt is a true fashion gem. This piece is a must-have for a classic wardrobe to achieve an effortlessly chic and timeless look. Last but not least, we have the ever-stylish chunky loafer. These shoes are the perfect mix of comfort and fashion forwardness. Trust me, they will become your go-to footwear. And there you have it, 5 trending clothing items that will add a fresh and modern touch to your classical style.